Okay, students, in this video we are going to see how to find the general form of a circle. This is also introduction to exercise 5.1. Okay, so last class I told how to find the equation of the circle. The center is given as h comma k and radius is given as r. So from this, how will you derive the general equation of the circle? Just to expand this by using a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a square minus 2ab plus b square, okay, is equal to r square. So you replace minus 2h as 2g. Similarly, you replace minus 2k as 2f. And this r square you bring this side. So what it becomes? X square. This one is plus y square. What I am telling? Instead of minus 2h, you replace 2g. So 2g. This also instead of minus 2k, 2f. 2f. Okay, so x is there, y is there. So x, y. Now whatever the left over here, plus h square plus k square minus r square. If you add h square plus I square minus r square, then it will be 0. Now you replace h square plus k square minus r square as constant c, because this is always constant. So it becomes what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where c is equal to h square plus k square minus r square. So this is known as the general form of the circle. General form of the circle. X square term, y square term, x term, y term, constant term. For example, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y plus 9 equal to 0. So it will represent the general form of the circle, because x square term, y square term, x term, y term and constant term. So it represents the general form of the circle. Now for this general form of the circle, if you see, there are certain characteristics are there. So what are the characteristics? What are the characteristics? Characteristics of this general form. General form. See, if you observe, coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square, both are equal, because this is 1 into x square, this also 1 into y square. So both are same. So that is the first point you should understand. Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square, because this is 1, this also 1. The coefficient means the one which multiplies x square. X square முன்னாடி யார் இருக்கு, அவங்க தான் coefficient. So 1 into, here 1 into. Okay, next, there is no xy term at all. You see here, is there any xy term? So there is no xy term at all. That means what? Coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Okay, coefficient of xy is equal to 0. So second one, coefficient of xy is equal to 0, because there is no xy term at all. Sorry students. So coefficient of xy is equal to 0, because there is no xy term. And also it is second degree equation. Second degree equation in x and y, because what is the degree? That is power. So here it is a second degree equation in x and y. It is a second degree equation. In x and y. So these three are the general characteristics of the general form of the circle. First one is what? Coefficient of x square is equal to coefficient of y square, because both are same, one only. Second one, coefficient of xy is equal to 0. Third one, it is a second degree equation in x and y. Okay? Okay, sir, you derived general form of the circle. For this circle, again, how will you find center and radius? Suppose if the general form of the circle is given, then how will you find the center and radius? For that also, small procedure is there. Listen carefully, students. Important. Very, very important. Listen carefully. Now, suppose general equation of the circle is given. So, what is the general equation of the circle? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. So, for this circle, I want to find the center and radius. So, I want to bring this in the form of x minus h, the whole square, plus y minus k, the whole square is equal to r square. So, if I bring in this form, then I can compare who is there in place of h, who is there in place of k. நம்ம இந்த ஃபார்ம்ல கொண்டு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா h k நமக்கு தாராளமா வரும். That is nothing but the center. And radius is what? This side whatever is there, that is your radius. For that, one small thing you should do. Completing the square method you can use. I am taking these two together like this. Then these two together I am taking. And the ரெண்டுமே பக்கத்துல வெச்சுக்கோங்க. Okay. Now I am adding g square. Now I am adding f square. Now plus c is there. So what I have to put? G square I added. Then f square also I added. Okay. Then I have to subtract. C also. Like this. Because C is there, I am not adding anything. Because I added these two only, no. G square I added. F square I added. Okay. Then I have to subtract G square, F square. Nothing to do with the C. That's it. Okay. So, I am adding G square. So, I am compensating by subtracting minus G square. I am adding F square. I am compensating by subtracting with the minus F square. So, nothing to do with the C. No need to add and subtract. Okay. Now, listen carefully. Up to this, I can write x plus g, the whole square formula. Plus, because if I expand this one, again these three terms only are going to get. A square, x square, plus 2ab, 2 into x into g, 2gx, plus g square. Similarly, for these three terms, y plus f the whole square. And these three terms you bring that side, because I want to compare with radius term. G square plus f square minus c. So, now you compare with this form. This is a standard form. We already derived it. Okay, first form I told center and radius form of the circle. Now, you compare with that now. X minus of minus g, the whole square, plus y minus of minus f, the whole square is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So, now you compare with this standard form, x minus h, the whole square, plus y minus k, the whole square is equal to r square. So, now what is your center? Center, instead of h we are having minus z comma minus f for this circle, for general form of the circle. Now, what is the radius r? R square is g square plus f square minus c. Radius r is what? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay. So, we derived the equation of the general form of the circle again in the standard form. After that, what we did? We compared what is there in place of h, what is there in place of k, because center is h comma k. So, I got it as minus z minus f. So, what is your center? Minus z minus f, direct formula. What is radius? Square root of g square plus f square minus c. Okay, student. Now, here 3 cases will come. Cases means what? First one, suppose g square plus f square minus c greater than 0. This is 1 mark also they might ask. It is a real circle. That means you can draw the circle. It is a real circle because radius is there. It is greater than 0. So, you can draw the circle. Second point. What is the second point? G square plus f square minus c is equal to 0. That means whatever present inside the value, it is a 0. That means what? There is no radius at all. There is no radius at all. So, if there is no radius, the circle is known as point circle. Just like this it will appear. That's it. Then it is a point circle. Point circle. Now, can I tell what is the third condition? Greater than is finished, is equal is finished, less than 0. Right. G square plus f square minus c less than 0. So, in this case, what can tell? It is an imaginary circle. We cannot draw the circle. We can imagine. That's it. So, it is an imaginary circle. Okay, these 3 cases, 1 mark they might ask you. Suppose if g square plus f square minus c greater than 0, then the circle is a real circle. If g square minus plus f square minus c is equal to 0, it is a point circle. If g square plus f square minus c less than 0, it is a imaginary circle. Okay, student. So, when the general form of the circle is given like this is a direct formula we can make use to find the center and radius. நமக்கு இந்த ஃபார்முலா சர்க்கிளில் கொடுத்தாச்சுன்னா டைரெக்டாக சென்டருக்கு ஃபார்முலா இருக்குது, ரேடியஸ்க்கு ஃபார்முலா இருக்குது. ஓகே, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த செகண்ட் பார்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். The next part we will see some problems based on this introductory part. Okay, so still some, it's not finished, but we will see some problems. Again we will see some theory part. Okay, students. So if you like this video, share this video and subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.